Hello guys, so my name is Kiara and we are going to plant. See here, and this is every day to put water. But Mama, where will we put it?
We will put water in here using this dropper. And which plants you are gonna plant?
What was this, Mama?
These are the seeds.
The
Seeds of what?
Mustard seeds.
Mustard seeds, right?
Yeah, and these?
Show us. These are green gram, moong ki dal.
Moong ki dal.
Yes. And what else we have?
We have like these things. We are using them like a pot.
Okay.
And this is?
What is this?
This is like a soil.
Like a soil, but it's cocoa peat.
Cocoa peat.
Okay, you can open it.
Okay, so
Open the cocoa peat first.
really, but now I take one out.
Yeah, and one in this one.
It's really not coming like. Actually, it's not coming like out or something.
That's okay. Leave it. So now we are gonna
Pour some water.
pour some water so that it will expand. Cocoa peat expands. You don't need to use the dropper. You will use the dropper when they are okay.
Oh.
Okay. Now you will see them expanding.
It'll be really fun if you do this in your home and show your parents. What did it sing?
Wow, can you see?
Yeah, so
It
this.
sucked all the water. There's no more water.
Oh my god, Jaldi.
And this is still doing.
It's really sucking up the water. If it wants to, then it will melt like something or something.
No, it will not melt. It will expand.
Yeah, and we have the seed.
It's looking like a brownie.
Yeah, like it's really like pushing up.
Nice, nice. Now you can add the seeds. First, I will just put the name tag in here. These are the mustard ones and these are the moong dal. So you just need to, what you need to do, Gudu?
So let's open these and put it in. Mama, will you open it for me?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's actually like a thing, like something like.
Yeah, very nice.
It's a little messy.
Okay, that's good. Now we will,
To pour this.
yeah. Let's put them here. Now you can use the mustard seeds. Wait a minute. Okay.
You can put it like this.
Yeah.
No. So like teeny tiny birds' eggs or something. They're like teeny tiny birds' eggs, no? It's birds' eggs.
Yeah, that's the way it is. And don't worry, some will sprout, some will not, okay? Now you will take some more water with your dropper. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Slowly, slowly. Great job. Do it all over the cocoa peat. Great job. Now,
we need more water for it. It's really sucking it up. Oh.
Great job.
And just a little bit.
Okay.
Here.
That's it. You are not supposed to water them so much, okay?
Okay.
So now what we need to
Put it out.
put them in the sun, okay?
So it's going to grow tomorrow. Here it is.
No, it's gonna take 2-3 days. It will sprout, but you will see the little babies coming out of it. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye.
So we'll show you the progress over the time. Stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to her channel, please subscribe,
And
like.
bye.